Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. We are doing linear graphs and simultaneous linear equations. In the last session, we applied the formula for the gradient and we calculated the gradient or the slope for the rising line, for the line coming downward, for the horizontal line, and even we discussed what do we have to do in case of the vertical line. So we are familiar with the gradient now, so time to solve the simultaneous linear equations. So let's solve the simultaneous linear equation, and the first method we are going to use is graphical method. So we are going to make a graph for the given equations, and from that graph we'll come to know what is the solution for those simultaneous equations. So let's do that. Okay, so we have our simultaneous equations. First equation is x plus y is equal to 3, and the second is 3x plus y is equal to 5. So we have to make a graph for these two equations, and once we have the straight lines for these equations, because these are the linear equations, so we're going to have a straight lines. So we're going to have two straight lines, and we'll see how the solution is calculated. But before that, we need to have the values for x and y, and if we have the values, then we'll be able to calculate or draw the graph for that. So okay, so let's have the values for both the equations. Okay, so for the first equation, x and y, this is for x plus y is equal to 3. So I'm going to take x as minus 2. When I'm taking x as minus 2 is here, it goes to the other side, it becomes plus. So the value of y is 5. Next I'm going to take 2. 2 is here, it goes to the other side, it becomes 3 minus 2. So y is 1. Now I'm going to take 3. So 3 is here, goes to the other side. What do we have? 3 minus 3 is 0. Now 4. 4 goes to the other side. 3 minus 4, what is it? Minus 1. Right. So we have the values for the first equation. Now 3x plus y is equal to 5. So x and y. I'm going to take the same values for the x. Minus 2, 2, 3 and 4. These are the any values. If you're trying the same example, you can try with the different values. So minus 2. Minus 2 into 3, minus 6. Minus 6 goes to the other side. 5 plus 6 is 11. 2. 3 into 2 is 6. Goes to the other side. 5 minus 6, minus 1. 3 into 3, 9. Goes to the other side. 5 minus 9, minus 4. And 4 into 3 is 12. Goes to the other side. 5 minus 12 is minus 7. So we have all the values now, and we are ready to draw the graph. So let's draw the graph. Okay, so we have a graph paper now, and we have the same two equations. X plus y is equal to 3 and 3x plus y is equal to 5. We have the same values over here. Okay, so let's plot the points for the first equation, and which they are minus 2 and 5. So minus 2 is here, and this is 5. So our first point is this. Okay, then 2 and 1. This is 2 and this is 1. This is our second point. Then 3 and 0. Third point. 4 and minus 1. This is 4 and this is here. It's minus 1. So it is here. So let's join them. joining them carefully. Okay, so this is our equation. X plus y is equal to 3, and this is the line for that linear line for that equation. Now the second equation, the values are x is minus 2 and y is 11, so this is this point. Then x is 2, which is here, and y is minus 1, so it comes over here, right? 2 and minus 1. Now 3, it is 3 and minus 4. Now 4, which is here, and minus 7. So I've not written here, let's write it here. This is minus 7. So 4 and minus 7, the point is here. Okay, now let's join them. So we have our line for this equation, 3x plus y is equal to 5. Now we have both the lines, both the linear lines we have, and both the lines are intersecting each other. If it was the case that both the lines were not intersecting each other, then there was no solution. For the solution, it is necessary that the lines are intersecting. So now we have to see what point the lines are intersecting. This is this point, okay? For where x value 1 and the y value 2, the lines are intersecting. So here 1 and 2. So we have the solution now. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. So we have the solution through the graphical method. So now let's check and apply that solution to the equations and see if it is the correct solution or not. Okay, now the solution we obtained is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. So now let's apply in this. This is x plus y. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So 3 is equal to 3. Correct. It is a solution. Right hand side is equal to left hand side, right? Left hand side equal to right hand side. So 3x plus y is equal to 5. So 3 into 1 plus 2 is equal to 5. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So 5 is equal to 5. Again, left hand side is equal to right hand side. So our solution is correct, and we have obtained the solution for the simultaneous equations through a graphical method. Hope you got the idea, and now you can solve the simultaneous equation using a graph. Now the next will be our method will be elimination method, and in the next session we'll be solving simultaneous equation using elimination method. Thank you.